We are back. Why are all the shops closed? I came from so far. Please don't be closed. In the first look itself, you guys can see some changes. There is a bar and mirror missing. We are immediately going to go get that. And yeah, this one is kind of looks naked right now though. God, I missed this. Again, this thing with civic sense, right? India is India is lacking behind, dude. India is really lacking behind. Yeah, I have been suffocating this past entire month because I did not have freedom. You know the problem with motorcycling. Once you start loving it, right? And as I have told you guys prior, this is the only motorcycle right now that I own. And losing that was very, very, very sad for me. Linde. Linde sounds like a bad word. Linde. Again with this struggle. Coming back to my experience with Royal Enfield, very mixed. The service center that I gave this bike to did not have any parts. Audi knows how to design their cars. There is one thing that I have learned from my crash is it's better to maintain as much gap between you and the vehicle in front of you to be safe. I just now assume that everybody is stupid and dumb. You take this for an example. Anna, even though cars make that sound that your indicator is on, even though it is on, but this uncle is not taking any action to stop it or to stop the indication. Oh, now he did. Not having any means of transportation and being dependent on somebody to pick you up and drop you for your daily office commute as well feels so powerless is what I would say. You'll miss all of this if you're not into motorcycling. One thing is for sure, not everybody is a skilled mechanic that Royal Enfield has hired in their service station. Oh, cute mini. Moving on. So they repaired the entire headlight cluster and somebody just messed up the entire wiring. And they lost this button you see, which gets you to change your mode and all. And I use it to check my mileage. My god, what is up with the heat nowadays in Bangalore, yeah? Bangalore is not Bangaloring anymore. There's this weird thing happening in my earphones. Whatever navigation suggestion Google is giving me, the same thing Siri is repeating it to me. I don't know how to switch it off. All of us know I don't have like a huge subscriber number, right? But I'm very proud of you all. I am proud for the fact that you guys are educated.
Denied. Denied.
Moving on. Moving on. I have not gotten any sort of weird questions, That dude, why don't you make reaction content? That's like the cheapest kind of content somebody can make. Reaction content. Put a cheap ass exhaust and then rev your No, cancel. No, cancel. The Siri is annoying me a lot today. What the hell? 4 people in an R15. Seriously, India is not for beginners. That's the one thing I'm good at, looking at maps. That's what Bangalore has made me into. good at maps. No, cancel. हेलो. हाँ अन्ना, वो मिस्टेक से फ़ोन लग गया था आपको. हाउ द हेल शुड आई टर्न इट ऑफ? This could have been a good competition to Isuzu. I accidentally got in a rich lane or what? I am definitely in a rich society. Why have I not been here before? Can you see how half of the people aren't? First time I'm ever happy with a pain. The back pain is back, the wrist pain is back, and I love it. Why are all the shops closed? I came from so far. Please don't be closed. That is all that I had in terms of updates. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.